Thank you for tuning in to our first Spectrum session. Today we're going to talk about deeds and three things that you need to know about using deeds to transfer your property. The first thing that you need to consider before you make a transfer of property is the age of the person who is making the transfer. Oftentimes, individuals think that they can simply add their name or simply transfer a property from their elderly parents or family members. Please be mindful that this could be a problem if your elderly family member is receiving certain government benefits. The second thing that you need to know about deeds is the issue of benefits. There are many individuals out here who are receiving certain government assistance, and the eligibility for these certain programs oftentimes could be triggered in the negative if you transfer a property without some proper preparation. So it's always advised that you seek the advice of an attorney. The third thing that you need to know about transferring is that it's not as simple as just simply adding, your name to somebody's deed. You have to think about the chain of title and the other transfers that have been done with the property so that you can make sure that the transfer is done properly. So again, it's always advised that you seek the advice of an attorney to make sure that your transfer is being done properly. So this is your first Spectrum session on deeds and the things that you need to know about them. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you'll join us for another Spectrum session. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook at the Spectrum Law Firm and on Instagram and Twitter at Spectrum Law.